Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video. Sorry it's been a long time uploading. I haven't been very well, dealing with the flu and then the cold. I was in the middle of recording content for this Lenovo ThinkCentre PC which I am currently upgrading and restoring. While I sort the content out, here is a video of some experiments I want to try, and the first one is installing the latest Steam client on Windows 7. And what we need to download are two files, and we need to disable Windows Defender on Windows 7 if it is installed, like mine was, and the file got deleted, so I will need to download it again. Don't worry, this is a false positive, and the files we need to download are the latest Steam client and KX kernel. I will leave these links in the description. Also, we need legacy update. We need to install this because we need to install the latest updates for the VsKex setup to work. So we will need to install this first, and all you do is just double click on it, press yes, and then press install. Obviously I don't need to do this because I've already installed it and updated my Windows 7 to the latest updates, but you will press install and follow the on-screen instructions. I will do another video regarding legacy update fairly soon. But once that's installed and your desktop or laptop is all up to date, we can then click on the VsKex setup. Remember to disable your antivirus if you have one installed, because it will detect this as a virus, but it's not a virus, it's a false positive. So we just press install and we can just open the settings, and it just brings this up, and we can add it to the extended context menu. So we can't see it in here at the moment, but when I press apply, it should appear in here somewhere. Extended, let's have a look, maybe it's this one. Let's try that one. There we go. One with VsKex enabled. So okay, we just press OK on that, and then what we want to do is go to the Steam setup. I downloaded two by mistake, so we're just going to click on Properties, and then go to VsKex and enable VsKex for this program, and we can choose Windows 11 or Windows 10 for this. I'm just going to keep it on Windows 11, and then press apply, and then press OK, and then we just double click on Steam, and as you can see it's loaded up with the installer, and we're going to click install like we normally would, and then press run Steam. Now hopefully it will be able to update. As you can see, Steam won't update on normal Windows 7. It will fail and then it won't launch, because it will try and update every time you open Steam. There is another version to this, but I don't think it works anymore, and this is the most easiest method to install Steam. And there we go, there's that done, but now what I believe we need to do now is go to Properties on here and enable VsKex for this program, and then report it as Windows 11. So let's see if it will open now. Okay, so what am I doing wrong? Okay, is it because it's a shortcut? So let's open file location and go to here then, and enable this. Can we enable that? Yes, there we go. Report a different version of Windows, and I'm going to select it on Windows 11. Okay, so let's see if it will work now. As you can see, some files are changing there, and now we have the Steam dashboard up. And now I will be back once I've signed into Steam, because I need to scan the QR code because I have Steam card on. So give me 1 second. Okay, so I've never logged into Steam, and for some reason it's not displaying the store properly. But as you can see, we have Steam. But let's open Steam again. As you can see, we have to minimize it to get this back open. But we are back into this store. As you can see, we can browse around all of this when it wants to load. We have Frostpunk 2. Okay, so let's go to the library and let's just install a quick game. Okay, let's just install this. Just accept and then wait for that to install. Okay, so now that is installed. Let's press play. Let's see if the game will actually work. I'm not sure what games do work on here and what games don't. And here we are in the game. And we can move around and everything. So yeah, games are all working. Looks a bit like Zootopia. But yeah, that's how you install Steam on Windows 7 and can play games. Not sure what games, like I said, you have to experiment yourself and let me know in the comments what games do work and what games don't work. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell and turn on all notifications. Thanks for watching.